Guys, so today is Thursday. I usually don't vlog on Thursdays, so I'm probably just gonna put this in with my weekend vlog, but I'm actually like doing some things regarding the nursery, so I thought I would show you guys. Excuse my appearance. My eczema has gotten out of control, and my mom actually got me this special kind of soap to start like cleaning my eyes with, and I tried it for the first time today, and it just it made my eyes sting a little bit, so they're like super inflamed right now. I'm starting to like open some things, like I'm opening all of her pacifiers, and I'm starting to put like the wipes away and like setting things up more appropriately, and I wanted to be able to film it for you guys and document this. So what I've done so far is I've just been unpackaging like little bits, like this is a pacifier clip. I unpackaged all of these pacifiers in here. These two I got in like sample bags / boxes, so I don't know if I will use these two. And then these two are by Itsy Ritzy, and they actually feel like they are going to be really good. So I got those. I need to unpackage some other ones that I have, and like stuff like this. Like I just need to start taking things out of the package and organizing things and getting them ready to be washed and sanitized. My husband and I also went to Target yesterday. I needed to start stocking up on things for like the diaper bag and the diaper station. I needed to start buying stuff for myself. I wanted to get a few more packages of diapers and etc., etc. And they were doing this like, I think Target always does an offer like this, where if you spend like $50 on baby supplies, you get a $10 gift card, or if you spend $100, you get the $20 gift card. So yesterday they were doing the spend $100, get a $20 gift card. So we went ahead and we spent the $100, and it was just, was valid on diapers, wipes, toiletries, and like formula and food. So we bought some diapers and wipes and some toiletries. So we got a box of Pampers Pure in size 1, as well as a box of Pampers Pure in newborn. So now I have 2 newborn boxes of Pampers Pure, so that makes me feel really good. We also got a 4-pack of these Honest wipes. I know that my sister-in-law loves these for her daughter, so I wanted to try them, so I got a 4-pack. I really needed help getting to the $100 mark, so that is why I got a 4-pack. Otherwise I just would have gotten 1 to try. And then I also got another one of these Cloud Island wipes, just because I feel like these are going to be really good. So now I have 2 of these as well, and I also have a couple packages of Pampers Pure, as well as all the samples that I have been given. I also picked up this Honest set. It's face and body lotion, and then shampoo and body wash. So this little duo, I needed help getting to the $100 mark again. And then for myself, I got some nipple cream, because I didn't have that yet, as well as nursing pads. Those are the only 2 things that I have for myself in regarding postpartum so far. So I still have a long way to go on that list. And then I didn't have a lot of hats for her at all. And I know that newborns especially, they usually wear hats. So I got this pack of hats. This little pink one is cute because it has a bow. And then it just has gray and mint in the little knotted style, which I really like. And then I also don't have a car seat cover or a nursing cover. I was going to order one from Milk Snob, but it probably wouldn't get here in time. So I went ahead and I picked up this one. It was like $30, which is like the same price as the Milk Snob ones, but I didn't have to pay for shipping, and I didn't have to wait forever for it to get here. So yeah, this one's just a pretty floral print. So yeah, I believe that that's everything that we bought yesterday from Targets. So yeah, I've just been trying to like open things slowly and put them where I think they're gonna go. And gonna start doing her laundry probably this weekend, so I'll show you guys that in this vlog as well. Yesterday, my husband and I went to Barnes & Noble because they finally reopened to where they were letting customers in the store. And I didn't even think they would have this, but I thought there's no harm in looking, and they actually did. And this is the book I wanted to order from Amazon, but all of my Amazon orders, that anything that I want from Amazon, usually it doesn't ship until June or July, and I don't have that much time, so I kind of waited too long to order it. But I really wanted to have this book just to help prepare myself as best I could for a natural birth. I hear a lot of good things about it. It's called Ina May's Guide to Childbirth. A lot of women swear by this book, and a lot of women had a lot of success with this book and completing a natural vaginal birth without any pain medication. So that's my goal. I don't know if I have a high enough pain tolerance. We'll find out. I've always been told I have a high pain tolerance, but we will definitely be put to the test. So hopefully this book helps me. And I also wanted to share something that I completed this week. I think I shared with you guys that I wanted to make her a mobile in my last video. Well, I completed it this week, and this is what it ended up looking like. I'm actually pretty satisfied with how it looks. It turned out better than I thought it would, and it was actually a lot of fun to make. So what I did was I just got one of those embroidery hoops, tied some string on the tops to hang it, and then I took pom-poms that I had made and strung them through some yarn and just tied them on, and I think it looks really cute. But now we need to figure out how to hang it up over her crib, so that's probably going to be more of a challenge than making this was. But I think it's really cute, and I'm happy I got to make her at least something. So I just unpackaged a lot of her crib sheets and boppy covers and burp cloths and towels and stuff. So this pile of laundry will be ready to go once I start doing that this weekend. And I wanted to see if this changing pad cover that my mom bought from Crate & Barrel would fit our changing pad, and it does, and it is so cute. It's this light blush color with these cute little bunnies, and it feels really, really good quality, so I'm really excited to use this. Oh, I didn't even realize it has the holes for the straps, so I can actually pull those through. I thought that I wouldn't be able to use the straps, but they'll work perfectly. Look at that. I'll be able to strap her in just perfectly. That's really good news. And like I said, I think in my last video, we are going to, I think my mom and I decided that we're gonna have my dad build like a railing. It's gonna be like an inch thick, and it'll be on the front and on the side of my desk so that this doesn't slide off and that it stays secure in place. It was either that or we were gonna attach Velcro to my desk and attach it to the changing pad, but I think we like the idea of the rail better because it just seems a bit safer. But yeah, that's working out really well. And then in this little basket, I went ahead and I put some Aquaphor and some Desitin in. I also put diapers in here and probably the current pack of wipes that I'm on. I also have some leftover pom-poms from the Mobile project. Yeah, I think that's going to be it for me today, just so I have enough to do still this weekend, but I definitely wanted to share with you guys what I've been up to today. Yeah, I'm like really tired and out of breath right now, so I need to go eat some lunch and take it easy for the rest of the day. But I'll see you guys on Saturday.